It's Seeing Blind. Hey guys, I'm back with a product. This is one that I do actually recommend. It's been a wonderful purchase for me as a mom and especially as a blind mom. I don't know about you, I struggle with threading needles, sewing anything together, whether it's seams, hemming, anything like that. I mean, if something's got a hole in it, I usually had to pitch it or ask someone else to stitch it because I just didn't feel comfortable doing that. I know a lot of women are using this product for, keeping bra pads in place, bra straps in place. The stitches can be temporary or they can be a more kind of semi-permanent type of thing that just keeps things together. So this is what it is. It's like a stitch gun, basically. If you think of like a little bitty glue gun almost type of look, and from the top are these they're like little links, like ties, and you feed that through the top, and at the very end it has a protector on the needle. So I would just pop this protector off, stick the needle through the two things that I'm trying to seam together, and then pull the trigger, and it just shoots this little link that basically stitches the two things together. And like I said, you can pull that out if you need just a temporary kind of thing, or if you need a pair of jeans or some leggings have a hole in it in the seam, you want that to kind of permanently stay back together. It's made a lot of projects doable. It's made a lot of clothing salvageable. My son actually has a Luigi costume. He was just heartbroken when his hat started falling apart. So I just grabbed this stitch gun, and I'll show you here. I'm just like poking the end of the needle. I'm doing it all by feel, can't see what I'm doing, and literally just stitching it back together using this stitch gun. There's lots of these variations of this type of product on Amazon. I don't know if they all do the same thing, but this one actually works. I've really enjoyed it. So I'm gonna make sure I put it on my Amazon storefront. I'll link in on one of the lists that's like recommended from videos or Blind Life, home finds, that kind of thing. Look for this product on those lists and it'll take you straight to the one that I have purchased here. So hope this video and this product helps you. Let me know in the comments.